Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together, and we need to keep holding them until we see the OnePlus logo on the screen. It takes about, I would say, 10 seconds. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them. Once you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, you can release the buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.